In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Buy Now button on Shopify. This is really useful if you want customers to go through the full cart and checkout flow instead of skipping straight to payment. It can help reduce confusion on your product pages and give you more control over the buying experience. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the page where you normally see your store overview with things like analytics, orders, and sales. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one. From the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side and click on Online Store. This will open up the section where you manage everything related to your storefront, including themes, pages, navigation, and more. Under Online Store, you should see your current theme. Next, click on the option to edit your theme. Depending on your interface, this might be labeled as Customize or Edit Theme. This will open the theme editor, where you can visually adjust how your store looks. Once the theme editor loads, look at the top of the page for the template selector. It might currently say Homepage. Click on that, because we don't want to edit the homepage. We want to work on the product page layout. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Products. This tells Shopify you want to edit how your product pages look, not your homepage or collection pages. Under Products, select Default Product. This is the main template that most of your products use. Any change you make here will usually apply to all products that use this default template, including the Buy Now button. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll see a list of sections that make up your product page. Look for the section named Product Information and click the small drop-down arrow next to it to expand the options inside. Within that expanded list, find the item labeled Buy Buttons. Hover over it and you should see a trash or delete icon appear. Click that trash icon to remove the Buy Now buttons from your product page layout. Don't worry, this only removes the layout block. Your Add to Cart button will remain as long as it's in a separate block. Finally, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This step is crucial. If you don't save, your changes won't go live on your storefront. Once it's saved, refresh one of your product pages on your live site, and you should see that the Buy Now button has been removed.